আচ্ছা, এবার আমরা এক্সারসাইজে চলে যাচ্ছি। এক্সারসাইজ 12.1. The first sum is find the slope of whose line of inclination is 45 degree. তার মানে থিটা ইজ ইকুয়াল টু 45 ডিগ্রি গিভেন। তাহলে স্লোপ আমরা জানি, স্লোপ এন ইজ ইকুয়াল টু ট্যান থিটা। এখানে থিটার ভ্যালু দেওয়া আছে 45, তাহলে স্লোপ কত হবে? ট্যান 45 ইজ ইকুয়াল টু 1। দেন থিটা ইজ ইকুয়াল টু 30 ডিগ্রি, তাহলে ট্যান 30 স্লোপ হয়ে যাবে ট্যান 30 ডিগ্রি ইজ ইকুয়াল টু 1/√3। এটা হচ্ছে স্লোপ। ওকে, now next sum that you can see that find the inclination of a line whose gradient is 1. Gradient means slope is 1, that means tan theta is equal to 1. You have to find out the value of theta line, you have to find out inclination of line. So 1 is, whose value is 1? Tan 45 degree. Therefore theta is equal to 45 degree. Okay, now 2 number sum. Tan theta is equal to √3, that means the value of tan 60 is √3. Therefore theta is equal to 60 degree. Now tan theta is equal to 1/√3 is equal to tan 30 degree. Therefore theta is equal to 30 degree. Okay, now next sum is find the equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis which is at distance 2 units above it. That means parallel to x-axis means this. Okay, parallel to x-axis of any line's equation is y is equal to b. B will be the distance between x-axis and the given line. So here above the x-axis the distance is 2 units above x-axis, that means in positive direction. So equation will be y is equal to 2. And next is 3 units below it. 3 units below x-axis means this one. So this is below, positive below, that means it will be in negative direction of y. So it will be minus b. Okay, so equation will be y is equal to -3. Okay, now sum number 4. Find the equation of a straight line parallel to y-axis which is at distance 3 units to the right. So this is right side of y-axis, so this is the distance. Suppose this is a, so equation is a is equal, x is equal to a, and the distance is given 3 units to the right. Therefore x is equal to 3. If the parallel line is in left side of at a distance a, so equation will be x is equal to -a. So in this sum find the equation of a straight line which is parallel to y-axis which is at distance 2 units to the left. So it will be in negative direction, so x is equal to -2. Hope you can understand. Now next sum. Find the equation of a straight line parallel to y-axis and passing through the point -3,5. Parallel to y-axis. So parallel to y-axis means equation will be, suppose we have already discussed, if the line is parallel to y-axis, you can let the equation is x is equal to k, and this line is passing through the point -3,5. So this point should be satisfied this equation. Okay, satisfied means in x place of x you have to put the value of x, and in place of y you have to put 5. So here value of x is -3, so the value of k will be -3 because x is -3, so that is k equal to -3. Okay, so equation will be x is equal to -3 because this is the value of k and the equation is x is equal to k. So final equation will be x is equal to, in place of k you have to put the value -3, because if you satisfy this equation, So in place of x you have to put minus 3 and k will remain as it is. So from here we can find the value of k. So final equation will be x is equal to minus 3. So final answer is x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Come to the next sum. The next sum is sum number 6(1). The equation of the line whose slope is 3 and y-intercept is equal to minus 5. Y-intercept means c. C is equal to minus 5 and m is given 3. So y-intercept form equation is y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to, in place of n put the value of 3. So value of m, that is 3x, plus in place of c put minus 5. So it will be y is equal to 3x minus 5. Okay, this is your equation. Now come to the next sum. The next sum is 6(2). Here slope is minus 2 by 7 and y-intercept is 3. That means m is equal to minus 2 comma 7 and c is equal to 3. So in this y-interceptions form of equation of straight line, we have to take this equation. Y is equal to minus 2 by 7x plus 3. Now do the simplification, you will get the answer 2x plus 7y minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Now gradient is equal to root 3 and y-intercept is equal to minus 4 comma 4 by 3. So gradient is m is equal to root 3 and c is equal to minus 4 by 3. So you just put the values, y is equal to root 3x minus 4 by 3, do the simplification. So will 3y is equal to 3 root 3x minus 4. Okay. Now sum number 4. In sum number 4, inclination is given, that is 30 degree and y-intercept is 2. That means theta is given 30 degree and c is equal to 2. So from theta you can find out the slope. So m is equal to tan theta is equal to tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. So intercept form, put the value of the equation of straight line of intercept form, that is y is equal to mx plus c, that is equal to 1 by root 3x plus 2. So do the simplification, so you will get root 3y is equal to x plus 2 root 3. So this is your final answer. Find the slope and y-intercept of the following lines. Means you have to find out the value of m and intercept form is c. So first we have to arrange, express this equation in form of interception form of equation. So first equation is x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. So minus 2y is equal to 1 minus x, that implies 2y is equal to x minus 1. So y is equal to x by 2 minus half. So m will be coefficient of x, that is half, and the constant value will be the intercept form, that is c is equal to minus half. Okay. So in this same way you have to do the next sum, that is 4x minus 5y minus 9 is equal to 0. That implies minus 5y is equal to 9 minus 4x. That implies y is equal to minus 9 by 5 minus 4x by minus 5. So it will be minus 9 by 5 minus will be plus 4 by 5x. So your m will be coefficient of x, that is 4 by 5, and c will be constant value, that is minus 9 by 5. So this is your final answer. Okay. Now in this same way you have to do the next sum. See the solution. In sum number 4, here x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1 given. So take the LCM of it, that is 12. So it will be 4x plus 3y is equal to 1. So it will be 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. That implies 3y is equal to 12 minus 4x. So y is equal to 12 by 3 minus 4 by 3x. So it will be 4 minus 4 by 3x. Therefore m is equal to coefficient of x, that is minus 4 by 3, and c will be 4. Okay. And now 5 number, y is equal to y minus 3 is equal to 0. That means y is equal to 3. So this line is parallel to x axis. So when this line is parallel to x axis, that means your slope will be 0, parallel to x axis. That means no inclination, there is no inclination with x axis. So slope will be 0, m is equal to 0, and constant value is c is equal to 3. And there the equation is x minus 3 is equal to 0, that means x is equal to 3. So slope not defined because this is parallel to y axis. Parallel to this line is parallel to y axis. So it may be this way, it may happen it will not cut in the x axis. So it may happen there is no inclination, or it may be cut in the x axis. So we can not define the slope exactly. So there is no defined slope, and parallel to y axis and does not mean y axis. So there is no c also, because this line is not cut the y axis, so there is no value of c also. So this is your answer. Okay. Now sum number 8, the equation of a line PQ is 3y minus 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. So write down the slope of the line PQ and calculate the angle that the line PQ makes with the positive direction of x axis. That means we have to find out the line of inclination of it. So first express this line in the intercept form, that is 3y minus 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. That implies 3y is equal to 3x minus 7. That implies y is equal to 3 by 3x minus 7 by 3. So this is the intercept form. This y is equal to x minus 7 by 3. So your slope m is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 3 by 3, minus 7 by 3. So slope is 1. So from here you can find out the line of inclination. Since slope is 1, that means tan theta is equal to 1. So that implies tan theta is equal to tan 45 degree. So inclination theta is equal to 45 degrees. So this is your answer.